everyone, welcome back to another video. So today's video we're gonna do something a little different because I have got myself a drone. This is the latest drone from DJI. This is the DJI Mavic Air. Now the box is a little longer and different because this is the Fly More combo. To be honest to you guys, I never own a drone. I don't know how to fly a drone because I just never got the opportunity or chance to get one. So let's open this thing up. So once you open the shipping box, you're gonna find this paper. This is the DJI official online store service guidance. So you're gonna find technical support, repair, return and replacement, exception, and the invoice. Okay, you might want to keep this on the side. You might need it. You never know. So I have got myself the audit white one. You have multiple choices. You have the white one, you have the flame red, and you have the onyx black. Okay. Once you open the box, because this is the Fly More combo, you're gonna see a nice shoulder bag. Okay. The quality of the bags is really good. The material is really solid. It looks very durable. And also, this is the drone case, and also an extra box. Okay. In this box, you're gonna find information about the Fly More combo, a Mavic Air quick start guide, Mavic Air battery charging hub, Mavic Air battery to power bank adapter, Mavic Air propeller guards, Mavic Air intelligent flight battery safety guidelines, and for last, Mavic Air disclaimer and safety. Also in this box, you're gonna find propeller guards. This is perfect for me because I don't know how to fly this drone. Put this on the side. So it's time to check out what is inside the shoulder bag. So you open it. Okay, we have a little box that comes with. Okay, so inside this box you're gonna have extra propellers. Now this is available only on the Fly More combo. 2 sets, very nice. And also you're gonna have a cables. This is for your Android or either iPhone, right? If you're using the Android, and also if you're using an iPhone, this is the RC cable. And also you have an extra set of joysticks. How cool is this? Person like me, where I always misplace everything, this is perfect. So we got ourselves an extra set of joystick. So inside the shoulder bag, you're gonna find an extra set of battery. So 2 more battery. So total of 3 battery. Technically, you're gonna be flying all day, every day. All day, every day. How cool is that? Also, you're gonna have the hub, right? The battery hub. Now this thing, it fit up to 4 battery. So the more battery you have, the more play time you have. So very nice. And also you're gonna have a charging cable. I believe this is for I think it's for the controller, and also the cable for the charger. For last, you have the controller, and let me tell you guys something. This is nice. The material of the controller, it feels good. It's not like a cheap plastic that you feel on those like RC controller cars. It's actually feel like a PlayStation controller. Very nice finish. It's a matte finish, you know, so you won't slip or anything. And also inside the controller, you're gonna find extra joystick. Now this function is very cool because you want to stick this joystick into your pocket without having this thing, the joystick sticking around. So if it sticks around, maybe I don't know, you ended up like broken it or something. So it's very cool. You just screw it on, right? Boom. There you go, and you're ready to fly. I don't know about this, but I run a pretty big phone. I'm sorry. I have a Samsung Galaxy Note 8, and you know the Note 8 is pretty big in size, so hopefully it fits. So let's see. So this is going here. So this is going here. Plug. Ah, it's a little tight, but it fits great. Right, it's perfect. It looks good. Now instead of like getting a tablet on top of this, I got my Samsung Galaxy Note 8. Big screen, very nice. Woo! Can't wait to fly this thing. Okay, let's put everything on the side. For last, we got the drone. I never had one, so I never felt in my hand one, so this is gonna be special. Woo! Damn, this thing is pretty than I expected. Very nice. Quality is good. I like the white one. I like white in general, so very cool. It's not that heavy. Now the size of this is technically like the size of the palm of my hand. How cool is it, huh? Yo, seriously, look. I think my middle finger stick out a little more. But anyways, so now you have some instruction here. Now on the arm, right? You have something that is said unfold the rear arms downward. So instead of like you go crazy, you pull this down, one, and you have number two, it said unfold the front arm forward. So 1 and 2. Same on this side. Bam and bam. Very good. Very nice. It looks good. A closer look for you guys. This thing is pretty. It's nice. Very good. For the battery, now the battery have a little bracket, have like a little security clip. So we just pull this down. Battery's out. Easy. Where's the battery? Up here. So we just put this in here as well. It's very nice overall. Like I said, I never had a drone before. So for the gimbal, there is like a little protector here. It said remove the gimbal clamp before power on. So it's 2 clip, left and right. So you just unclip it and it's out. Now to put it back on, I'm pretty sure it's going to be the same way. You just adjust the gimbal a little bit and press it back and click and you're good. Okay, to set up the controller onto the Mavic Air, if you're running an Android phone, you must go to your Play Store and download the DJI Go 4 apps. Okay, make sure that you download it and install it. It's gonna take a minute. Okay, so once you have installed, you're gonna open it. Make sure that you read the terms and agree. So once you open the app, it's gonna ask you to sign in. Now, if you don't have an account with them, make sure that you sign up. And if you have an account with them, just sign in. So once you sign in, you're gonna have this screen that it says choose a device. So we're gonna go with the Mavic Air. That's what I have. And then you want to connect to the aircraft. And then we are gonna use the controller. So we're gonna choose wire connection. So after that, it's gonna show you 4 steps that you must do. First, it says unfold the rear arm before the front ones. Insert the bottom of the battery. Don't touch the latches at the side of the battery. So here's the Mavic Air. So before connecting to the aircraft, there's few steps that we must follow. There's 1 and 2, right? We must bring these arms out. Okay, the ones you must unfold the rear arms downward, so it's go this way. And the front ones go forward. Okay. Also, you have this little landing feet over here. Okay, and same on the other side. Very simple. The rear go downwards. Boom. And the front ones go forward. Pretty simple. So it says clips one of the battery in. Okay. Boom, which is good. Okay, and we have completed the first step. So we're hitting next, step number 2. It says press, then press and hold the battery power button to turn it on. Press, then press and hold the RC power button to turn it on. So the RC controller and also the drone. So here's the Mavic Air again. I'm gonna show you guys how to turn this thing on. So here's the power button. You just click and hold, and oh, there it is. It's nice. So the drone is on. It's beeping. It's good. Now we're gonna do it with the controller. Same thing, I believe. So 1 and 2. There we go. So it's on. So we have completed step 2. We're gonna hit next, and step 3 is next. The step 3 is connect the phone onto the controller. So here's my phone, here's the controller. Right? You open this little legs up. 1, 2. You have this plug here. Now if you have an iPhone, you're gonna choose the iPhone plug, and in my case I have an Android. I have a Samsung Galaxy Note 8, so I choose the Android plug. So you should plug this in, I believe. I've never done this before, but okay, 1 and 2. So once you connect your phone onto the controller, you're gonna see this little tab over here that it said used by default for this USB accessory. That means that every time that you plug in the phone, this app will pop out. So I'm just gonna go use by default. Okay, and we got everything successful. So we're done. We have updates. Make sure that you update everything before you fly it up. It's gonna take a minute. So the software has been updated. I believe that's pretty much. Let me see what it is here. Okay, update complete. Manually restart your aircraft. So okay, complete. That's pretty much. Let's go to fly. Oh wow, this thing looks really good. So I guess I'm facing right here. Let me just put the antenna up. This thing look a little dark, but let's bring this up. Okay. Wow, it's nice. So this is how you link up your controller to the drone. Pretty simple. Just follow all the instructions and you'll be good. So that's pretty much, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please do not forget to follow, share, subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.